City. We are honored by the august presence of the Honorable President, Shri Ramnath Kovind. May I request Honorable Shri Justice N.V. Ramana to give the welcome address.
Good evening. The Honorable President of India, Shri Ramnath Kovind, Honorable Justice S.A. Bobde, the Chief Justice of India, Honorable Sri Ravi Shankar Prasad, Union Minister for Law and Justice and Electronics and Information Technology, my dear brother Justice R.F. Nariman and other honorable judges of the Supreme Court, Sri K.K. Venugopal, Attorney General of India, Mr. Tushar Mehta, Solicitor General of India and other law officers, Mr. Dushyant Dave, President of the Supreme Court Bar Association, Shivaji and Jadhav, President of the Supreme Court Advocates on Record Association, other members of the Bar, staff of the Supreme Court of India, dignitaries, colleagues, media persons and friends. On behalf of the Supreme Court, I would like to welcome to you all to the Constitution Day celebrations. This 71st Constitution Day has immense significance in the history of parliamentary democracy. This day reminds us the expectations of our leaders had. It enables us to reflect on what we have achieved so far and what we can be in the future. On this occasion, it is apt to remember the words of Dr. Rajendra Prasad, the President of the Constituent Assembly, in his speech on 26 November 1949. I quote, "It is not my purpose to appraise the value of the work that the Assembly has done, or the merits or demerits of the Constitution which it has framed. I am content to leave that to the others and do to the posterity." Unquote. After 71 years of working under the Indian Constitution, we can state that it is a resounding success. Our Constitution has withstood the test of time and has proven to be the most spirited, compassionate and living instrument capable of enormous dynamism. The courts have played an important role in ensuring that the rights enshrined in the Constitution are not a dead letter. It is because of these reasons that today we thrive as the largest democracy governed by a written Constitution. Today, our country and the entire world is dealing under the effects of an unprecedented pandemic. It is unfortunate that because of this, we are constrained to meet and organize this event virtually. However, although the pandemic has stalled and hindered all activities throughout the world, our country tried to maintain normalcy in all walks of life. Against all odds, we have tried to ensure that the constitutional goal of social justice is not frustrated. Ultimately, we need to ensure that no one is deprived of justice in this country. Under the Indian Constitution, access to justice is a basic human right. India has one of the best legal aid services in the entire world. This year marks the completion of 25 years since the establishment of National Legal Service Authority. The mandate of our Constitution is to work tirelessly to surpass our own expectations and to ensure that India is a country that sets an example for other countries to follow. It is well recognized that the Constitution of India is the paramount law of the land. All the organs of the state, that is the legislature, the executive and the judiciary, derive their powers and authority from the Constitution itself and must fulfill their constitutional obligations. There is a trend of unfair and unfounded criticisms against our constitutional institutions